Hey data enthusiasts, today we're diving into a quick comparison of two powerful ETL tools, Apache Nifi and Talend. Which one's right for your data integration needs? Let's break it down. First up, we have Apache Nifi. It's an open source tool built for real-time data flow management with its drag and drop web interface. Nifi makes it easy to design, monitor, and scale data pipelines. It shines in handling streaming data like IoT or log processing and supports over 300 processors for connecting to databases, cloud systems, and more. It's free, highly scalable, and perfect for dynamic real-time workflows. Next, Talend. This cloud-based platform offers both open source and commercial versions. Talend Data Fabric combines ETL, data quality, and governance in a low-code environment. With over 1,000 pre-built connectors, it's great for batch processing, big data integration, and cloud deployments. Talend's strength, enterprise-grade features like data governance and robust API support. So, how do they stack up? Nifi is all about real-time processing and flexibility for streaming data, but it requires technical know-how to set up. Talend, on the other hand, is enterprise-focused, excelling in batch ETL, data quality, and cloud integration, though its advanced features often come with a price tag. Which one's better? It depends. Choose Nifi for real-time, high-throughput scenarios like IoT or log analytics, especially if you want open source and no licensing costs. Go for Talend if you need comprehensive data governance, big data support, or cloud-native interactions for enterprise projects. That's it. Nifi for speed and streams, Talend for enterprise and scale. Drop a comment with your favorite ETL tool, and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. See you next time.